Some might say driver assistance features are for people who can't drive, but even the best drivers can use a little help. The Continental GT comes loaded with advanced driver assistance features. Take adaptive cruise control, for example. It uses radar to maintain a safe following distance. You can relax even in heavy traffic. And there's lane keeping assist. It gently steers the car back if you drift. The piece de resistance is the night vision camera. It detects pedestrians and animals in the dark. And of course, it has all the usual safety features. The Continental GT, fast, luxurious, advanced, and incredibly safe. What more could you ask for? Well, there you have it, my friends. The Bentley Continental GT, a car that effortlessly blends power, luxury, and performance. It's a car that makes a statement wherever it goes, a car that turns heads and elicits gasps of admiration. But more than that, it's a car that's built for driving, for experiencing the open road in absolute comfort and style. So if you're in the market for a grand tourer that can do it all, a car that's as capable as it is luxurious, then look no further than the Bentley Continental GT. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Bentley Continental GT. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on luxury cars and performance vehicles. See you next time.